Welcome! In this video, you'll discover how to open a topic from your Telegram group in a brand new window using the latest Telegram desktop update. This feature is a game changer for admins who want to multitask, manage discussions, or simply keep specific topics front and center while working on other chats. Let's dive right into the steps. First, make sure you have the Telegram desktop app installed on your PC. If you haven't already, download it from the official Telegram website and log in with your account. Once you're set up, open the Telegram app on your computer. On the left side, you'll see your list of chats and groups. Find the group where you're an admin and click to open it. Inside your group, you'll notice the topics listed. These are the separate discussion threads that help keep conversations organized. Browse through the topics and find the one you want to open in a new window. Now here's the key step. Right-click on the topic you're interested in. A menu will pop up with several options. Look for the option labeled Open in New Window and select it. That's it. The topic will instantly open in a separate window, letting you focus on that conversation without losing track of your other chats. You can move this window anywhere on your screen, resize it, or even minimize it while you work on something else. This feature is especially useful if you're managing multiple discussions at once or need to reference information from one topic while chatting in another. It's all about making your workflow smoother and your Telegram experience more efficient. To recap, open Telegram desktop, go to your group, right-click on the topic, and choose Open in New Window. Simple, fast, and incredibly handy for group admins. Try it out today and see how much easier it is to stay organized and engaged in your group discussions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore more Telegram features to get the most out of your community.